Hey, what's up? Welcome back. So today I have my May kit lineup and I am so stoked to share it with you guys. I feel like I have some really sick combos and I'm just very excited about this month and this lineup. Oh, also, I know that I typically do both my memory and my pre-planner lineup, but this is just going to be my memory planner lineup because work has been unhinged and I've been tired and I have not had energy to pre-pull kits for my pre-planner. So those are all just going to be a game time decision. So this is going to be my memory planner lineup. So first is Mother's Day week. So this book is from Bubba Bear Studios and I'm obsessed, so I will link it down below if y'all want to get it too. So first we've got the Mother's Day week spread or kit. So this is the December 2021 mystery from SPC, and I just thought that this art and these colors were just going to be really nice for Mother's Day. That was my first thought when I saw this kit. So that's that. And then for the foil, I'm going to be using the floral bundle in silver from SPC. And then I'm also going to be pulling in some Plannahannah underlays. I haven't foiled these yet because I haven't hauled them yet, and I don't know which ones I want to use yet. So we've got florals, hands, and vines. I'm kind of leaning toward just using vines or mixing the vines and the hands. I'm not sure yet, but I'm either going to foil these in silver or probably like a light blue or a light purple. I'm leaning toward this combo. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think that might be kind of cute. So that was the first week of May. So the second week, I don't really have a reason to use this. I'm not a gamer. I would like to be, but I just feel like I'm too dumb for video games. But I just loved this art, these colors. It's super bright, and I've been hoarding this for forever. This is like the original format for the gamer kit, and I figured, you know, now or never. And then the foil for this spread is just going to be fully unhinged. So first I've got the matte black with the sparkly rainbow. Then I've got the Chris underlays from Plannahannah that I foiled in like the prettiest star rainbow foil. I wish I could find sparkly rainbow, but I can't, so the star will work just fine. And then I've also got a sparkly hollow bundle from SPC. And then I've got some sparkly hollow and rainbow 15mm overlays from Plannahannah. So I'm very excited for that spread. It's going to be a lot, but what else is new with me? So next I've got, I'm so freaking excited about this. So this is the Sunny Side Up kit from Caress Press, and this is going to be the third week of May, and I just loved this art. The colors, they're so freaking pretty, and I don't have them yet because they were a May new release from Plannahannah, so those are going to be coming soon. But she released some checkerboard underlays and 15mm overlays, and I just got them in black, and I'm gonna foil them in black so the black is a little deeper, but I think it's gonna pick up on this backsplash so nicely, and I think the black, and like especially on this blue too, like I think it's just gonna look so freaking sick. So very stoked for that. And then I am going to be using a black foil bundle. I haven't decided which one yet. So this is just kind of a placeholder. I probably won't use the Celestial because it doesn't really go. I mean, I might, who knows, but I am going to be using a black bundle, but this is just kind of a placeholder until I decide which one. Okay, and then finally, for the last week of May, of course, I'm using a Stranger Things kit. And this is another one where I'm going to be completely unhinged with the foil, but you kind of have to be for Stranger Things, I feel. So I just love the colors in this so much. I'm going to be using the Caress Press one in July, so that's going to be a whole thing too. But I just really love this art so much. So this is the kit, and then this was the double box freebie with the Christmas lights. And I already talked about this on Instagram, but the second I saw this art, especially the Christmas light piece of clip art, I knew that I needed to use the string lights from Plannahannah in rainbow. So that's what I'm going to be using. And I might get a little wild and layer that over Sparkly Hollow. I don't know. It'll be a game time decision. But honestly, y'all know me and y'all know I probably will be layering. So, but I just think it's gonna look so good. Like the rainbow, like it doesn't quite match, but I feel like there's enough colors in this kit that it's still gonna look really good. Look how good that's gonna look. I cannot wait. And then I also have some other Sparkly Hollow elements. So we've got the bottom washi, some full boxes, and then the twinkle headers. Then I also have some foil coming in from Alicia Craft from her 11 release. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to be pulling any of that into this spread or if I'm going to save all of that for my July Stranger Things spread. I'm not sure yet, but this is going to be like the base combo. All right, so that was everything for my May lineup. Let me know what kits you're using. I'd love to hear. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later.